Hi, this is Cam White with Total Relief Footwear in Austin, Texas. And I'm here with Grant Maloney, and we're talking today about the Cofra asphalt boot. It's one of my favorite boots because it solves a huge problem for asphalt and hot mix workers. Over the past year and a half, we've had asphalt crews wear this, and the biggest benefit of these shoes is that they can go all day long on asphalt and hot mix without having to take frequent breaks to cool off their feet. So Grant's going to talk a little bit more about Cofra technology and about the asphalt boot.
Well, of course, as with all the Cofra shoes, the main thing that makes Cofra different is the attention to detail and the technology that makes them safer that they put into their shoes. Like all the other Cofra shoes, this one can withstand high heat. The outsole will stand 572 degrees Fahrenheit. And the outsole is actually also injection molded onto the bottom of the shoe, so you don't get that delamination or toe separation like a lot of the shoes do. The main difference between this outsole and the normal Cofra outsole, as you can see, is this outsole is completely flat. Now, there's a couple of benefits to that. First of all, that makes the sole non-marking when you're working in asphalt or in concrete, but mainly, compared to the normal Cofra outsole, the flatness keeps aggregate, little pieces of rock or anything like that, from getting picked up in the tread of the shoes. So it's a real benefit to have the flat shoe. Also, on the inside of the shoe, we have this. This is an anti-perforation textile. This makes the shoe puncture resistant. As you can see, it's a real lightweight and flexible fabric on the inside of the shoe, but if you were to step on a nail or a piece of cable or whatever, it wouldn't be able to penetrate through the shoe and into your foot, so it'll save you an injury. They also come with a nice gel insole on the inside, which is replaceable with an orthotic insole. So you can see, if you have an insole like this, you can put it on the inside and make it customizable. But with the asphalt shoe, one of the main features of it is the insole. You can see on the inside of the shoe they have this. This is a heat-resistant insole on the inside. Now what makes it so special is that it's able to reflect the heat away from the foot. In order to meet the European standard for a asphalt shoe, they have to do a specific test with the shoe. They take the shoe and they set it on a bed of sand. The bed of sand is then heated to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, and it sits there for 8 hours. And the ambient air temperature inside the shoe is not able to raise more than 3 degrees. So if you're standing in the hot asphalt all day long, the air temperature inside the shoe won't be able to increase. And then, of course, like all the Cofra shoes, we have a composite toe inside the shoe. It's non-heat conductive, it's non-electricity conductive, and if something does crush the shoe, the toe cap is able to pop back up into position. And we put the silicone ring on the outside so that it's a lot more comfortable because your toes aren't constantly rubbing on the edge of the shoe. So that's some of the safety features of the asphalt shoe.
Yeah, excellent shoes. And the big thing is that people that wear the Cofra asphalt boot really feel a whole lot better. We've had people that have just been in agony from wearing just regular old work boots on asphalt, and their feet are blistering and they're burned up. Doesn't happen with these shoes. So if you work with asphalt and hot mix, the Cofra asphalt boot would be an excellent choice for you. This is Cam White with Total Relief Footwear.